that you will sing about me. Promise that you will sing about me.
Hello, my love. So I'm gonna take out my little ponytail or whatever, and then I'm going in with this Lion Locs Moisturizing Lightweight Spray, and then I'll also be using their locking moisturizer, which is like this jelly putty type consistency. And I'll first be using this spray to saturate my hair completely. I want it to be just slightly damp. After it's damp, I'm going in with the locking moisturizer, and I'm just applying that only to the shafts of my locks. And pretty much you're just going to work this in. You don't have to use too much, but you do want your hair to be fairly damp. Or you could do this on freshly washed hair as well, and it'll work exactly the same, but still use some type of moisturizer for your locks. So I'm using a section this small, but again, if you want tighter curls, you could use a smaller section, but I like mine a little bit bigger because I do have fine locks, so it adds to the dimension. But of course, if you have thicker hair than mine, you could definitely do more braids than I'm doing, or not more braids, bigger sections than I'm doing. But if you have fine hair like myself, I tend to do about 4 braids on each side, and that usually is exactly enough for my head. Now you could also do one right in the middle of your head at the back. I did not do this for the video purpose because this was very quick, but as you can see, I have about 8 braids in my hair at this time, and I'm looking, you know, cute or whatever. Then I'm just going to take my hair tie and just put my hair in 2 low ponytails, and I'm gonna put them in a bun because again, the indentations just add to the curls of your locks. So yes, hunty, this is a cute style to wear, and I usually wear this style the very next day. So if I'm going out, I actually rock my hair like this. Now, of course, the longer you keep your braids in, the tighter your curls will be. But for this video, I only kept it in for one night and I went to bed. All right, y'all. So the first thing that I'm gonna do is I'm just going to take out all these braids that I have in my hair.
By the system. These foster homes, I run away and never do miss them. See my hormones just run away, and if I can get them back to where they used to be.
After I take out all my braids, I'm just going in with my Lion Locs Lock Growth Oil. This stuff literally smells like candy, I kid you not. So I'm just gonna lightly oil my scalp. And you could use code iamLindaElaine if you wanna save money on this oil, but I've been using this oil a lot more often because it literally smells like candy. And people will literally tell me that I smell so good, and honestly, I know this is a big part of it, so I love it. Then I'm just gonna massage that in.
I mentioned that I physically feel great.
And that is literally it, you guys. This is how I get my little curly locks. Your hair will smell so good. If you don't have this lock growth oil, you could use whatever oil you have, but literally I just love it because it smells so good. But look at my little babies over here growing and thriving. I will keep this style in for like 2 to 3 days. Honestly, it holds the curl pattern really well, but I'll still lightly spray my hair with the rose water or the Lion Locs rose water that I showed you to moisturize them. But look at these babies. I love my locks, y'all. So this is it. Per usual, definitely check the description box below for information on Lion Locs. And yeah, I pretty much just love this line. Keeps my hair super hydrated, and they got so many good lock products, so definitely check the description box for any information on this company. And I'm running late. You guys know I'm running late, so I gotta go. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you have a beautiful day or night, whatever time it is. If you want to keep up with me, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at iamLindaElaine, Snapchat at JamexicanBeauty, and I will see you lovelies later. And of course, leave any of your requests for locks or beauty in the description box below, because your girl almost forgot how to do makeup. Like today, it took me a while. Like I'm trying to start doing makeup again a couple of times so that I don't completely forget how to do it. But I tried some new products today, and I gotta play in them a little bit more. But all right, bye guys.